Hello, my name is Antonio Martinez and this is my level. Here in the start of the level, we are in an abandoned city with skyscrapers. When I was told that the level had to be set in a modernish time period, I immediately thought abandoned cities. The abandoned city consists of darker colors and besides a small patch does not have much growing out of it. This is opposed to the end of the level, which is overgrown and with more fertile land. From here you can see the factory that serves as the focal point for the level. As you jump over this wall, you can see a sign that points you towards the forest path. You can also come down this path and see the entrance to the factory and a small chest that you can't currently get to. Proceeding down towards the forest path, you can jump over these boxes past the first valve of the game. With those boxes jumped over, you can no longer proceed back. Coming back to the forest path, you can jump over this log. Most of the fallen over logs have stumps to indicate from where they fell from, and also allow you to progress around sometimes. On the side of the factory and inside the factory, you can see moss that will usually point you in the right direction, but also shows that the factory itself is overgrown. As you progress around here, you can get this chest finally, and it has the factory key. This will allow you to proceed past the entrance of the factory and serves as the first gate of the game. The factory itself is the focal point and my pride and joy. As you come over here, you can jump over a fallen part from the second floor and some of the boxes that fell with it. Jump over here, use these boxes to get up, and rip up to the second floor. And as you jump over the hole in the floor, you can proceed up to the third, which allows you to look out at the windows and see the end of the level. Looks so much nicer than the start. The start you can also see on this side. As you progress to the second half of the factory, you can drop down here to see the second floor, but you wonder why you can't proceed. You can also jump over here to collect the chest. This chest has the basement key. Why would you need the basement key, you are saying? You'll find out soon. As you drop down to the second floor, you can see that pipes have stopped the floor from falling in, and that's why you couldn't come down. Drop down again if you enter the break room. Got some nice windows and chairs and nice scenery. This is where the basement key would be used. As you drop down, you proceed past another valve. Can't get back up, but thankfully, the moss tells you where to go. Follow the moss. Around and around. You can also jump through here. And now the pipes are telling you where to go. And the water. If you look to your right, you can see where the pipes are coming from. Proceed to follow the water and you find the factory's maintenance tunnels. When you're in the tunnels, I want the main light to be the exit, so the player proceeds towards the light. As you come out here, you find the river path and the overgrown city. You can see two paths here. You can jump down and climb up here. As you come around here, you may be wondering what is behind these buildings. Well, it is another key. It's the house key. As you come around, you can see over here a stump you can jump over, and look, the wall has fallen off. Climb up here, and you can see my pride and joy one last time. As we come around here, come down the block, and to the left, you can find where the house key will be used.